Beach vacation packing can be stressful, especially if you don't know what items to bring. This packing list will help you pack everything you need for your next beach vacation with minimal stress. Time-saving beach packing hacks. 1. Charge your electronics. The night before, charge all electronics, including portable chargers, speakers and cell phone. 2. Plan outfits. Try planning outfits for each family member for your next beach day. 3. Keep inventory. Update your initial list with your final packing inventory. Space-saving beach packing hacks. 1. Roll instead of fold. Rolling up clothes is a tried and true space-saving method. 2. Fitted sheet hack. Use a fitted sheet as your beach blanket by placing heavy items on each corner to hold it down. Packing beach hacks to keep your belongings clean and dry. 1. Wrap your shoes and flip-flops in shower caps. 2. Protect your valuables. No one wants their belongings to be a victim of water and sand damage. Use plastic zippered bags or containers with lids. 3. Contain your liquids and creams. Use plastic wrap under a screw-on lid to prevent leaking. 4. Baskets for the sand. Use any plastic laundry basket to throw in beach toys, boogie boards, frisbees and more to keep sand from collecting. Packing for family beach trips can be stressful, but it doesn't have to be. With this list of family vacation packing tips, you'll be ready to spend quality time in the sun stress-free.